It was said that Al-Ma'mun has one time summoned two of his sons. He had two sons and he used to favor one over the other. He used to give preferences and priority to one over the other. And one time his wife was with him. She was not actually happy with that. She was unhappy and felt disappointed about her husband favoring one of her sons over the other. But he wanted to teach her a lesson. So he called both of them. They were convened and he said to one of them,
شنو جمع سواك؟ زين. يقولون إن المأمون كان يقدم أحد أولاده على الآخر، فغضبت زوجته وقالت: لماذا تقدمه على أخيه وهو الأكبر؟ قال: سأريك لماذا. فنادى الكبير فقال له: تعال يا بني. قال: نعم. فأخرج له السواك. قال: ما هذا؟ قال: هذا سواك. قال: على ماذا يجمع؟ قال: مساويك. قال: أحسنت يا بني، اذهب. فنادى الآخر فقال، والأم حاضرة، فأخرج له سواك. قال: ما هذا يا بني؟ قال: سواك. قال: على ماذا يجمع؟ قال: عكس محاسنك. ما يبي يقول له مساويك، يعني كأنك أنت عندك مساوي وكذا. فتأدبا مع أبيه قال: عكس محاسنك. التفت إلى عرفتي الفرق؟ إذا شنو جمع السواك الحين؟ يقول أسويكة. أسويكة.
He had a miswak. And let me explain this. The miswak in Arabic, the miswak is a toothbrush. The wooden arak is called arak in Arabic. Oud al-arak, the wooden, actually that branch of a tree that we actually use as a toothbrush. It is called miswak. And the plural of that is masawik. Masawik now means your bad actions or your bad deeds. Masawik. The bad actions you do is called masawi. So masawik means your bad actions. That is, the plural of miswak in Arabic means masawik, means your bad actions. So if someone asks you, what is this? You say miswak, singular. And if that person then asks you, what's the plural of miswak? You say, your bad deeds, your bad actions. Now, he asked one of them, and he said to him, his sons, one of his sons, what's this? He said, this is miswak, Dad. And the Ma'mun asked, what is the plural of this, my son? He said, masawik, your bad deeds. He said, stand here, stand aside, go there. He called the other one, come here. He came there. Come here. He came there. And he said, my son, what's this? The son said, this is miswak, my dad. And he said, what's the plural of this? He said, mahasinik, the opposite of your good deeds. He said, هذا عكس محاسنك, or ضد محاسنك. That means this is the opposite of your good deeds. He didn't say your bad deeds. He didn't say masawik. He said mahasinik, عكس محاسنك. Because he was very wise boy. That's why he favored. And the mother, the wife of Ma'mun, then was convinced and satisfied as to the reason why Ma'mun was given priority of one of his sons, this one who was the wise one over the other. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.